In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options in Wealthsimple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up their website, which is going to be my.wealthsimple.com, and then you want to sign into your account. After you do this, you first must add an account. So click over here in case you don't have one yet, and then just open an account over here. And after you've done it, you have to add money via this button over here, link a bank account, and add your funds onto your account. So after you've done this, you can then start trading options. And the way you do this is first you will have to search for a name or symbol up here, top right. For example, I'm going to go with this one with Tesla. And then here you'll see this is now the stock. If you want to actually trade options, you want to switch to options up here. So pretty much every single thing that's tradable on here will have the options option. So you can click over here in the options. And then there we go. And over here, you can then add a contract to get started over here. And then you can see there's now your options, and you can just start trading options over here on Wealthsimple. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.